meme coin season is here and people are making millions of dollars trading meme coin projects. That's why they're going to show you one of my favorite tools, which is, I would say, pretty passive way of making money with meme coin projects. And what's also really great, it doesn't require any experience trading crypto or meme coins or altcoins or anything. In this video, I'm going to show you AI trading bot, how to set it up. So this is going to be a really exciting video. I'm going to be using my personal money, and these results will show you the realistic way of making money with meme coins. So first of all, I'm going to be using a tool called Autosnipe. You can find the link in the description. If you use my link, you also get 10% discount on all the fees on this platform. So really great deal. And on this platform, we have lots of different features. The first feature is, of course, the pump.fun pairs. This is basically where you can find all the new tokens launching on pump.fun. And also we have Moonshot pairs, which is a competitor to pump.fun, which is launched by the Dex Screener team. Next up, we have copy trading functionality, top pairs. But the main topic of our video today, of course, it's AI Sniper. And this is the new feature of this platform. I actually have a video I did before, but in that video, I just showed you the functions, but I haven't showed you the results. That's why today I decided to do a different video and actually show you realistic results, because some of the people in the comments were really skeptical. So today I'm going to show you the results. So once you open the AI Sniper, you will have two default options, and also you have a full tutorial. In the last video, I actually created my own bot, but in today's video, I decided to go with the default settings. So let's click the first bot. And right here, you can see all the settings for this bot. So the coin pair platform is going to be Radium. The risk factor is low. The ranking is going to be up to 100. And we have some of the security features. 99% of the LP is burned. Top 10 holders are holding less than 18% of the whole supply. And you can see all the security checks the token has to pass for us to actually buy, the bot to actually buy. Next up, you can select how much do you want to invest. For this video, I'm going to use 1 Solana. Next up, you have to set up the minimum buy per order. So for example, if I'm using 1 Solana and the minimum is 0.1, this bot can buy 10 tokens at one time. But if you put in 1, this is not great because the bot will only buy 1 token. And of course, this way, I think it could take forever to make money. So I'll be using 0.1. So I will let this bot buy 10 tokens at one time. After that, you need to set up the stop loss. Basically, this means at what percentage of loss the bot will sell the tokens, because of course, not all tokens are winners. And we have, of course, to take loss sometimes. So I would say 25% it's a sweet spot because I don't like big risk. After that, you can set expiry date for the bot. So for example, at what time do you want this bot to stop working? For this one, I would say never, because let's keep it running and see how much do we make. After that, you can set up the priority fee. Basically, it's a transaction fee. So if you're playing with a bigger amount, I would recommend you to set this fee a bit higher, maybe the high. But right now we're playing with a pretty small amount, so I would leave it at AI optimized. I think for most my viewers, AI optimized is the way to go. And lastly, we have to set up the exit and sell strategy. In my opinion, this is one of the most, if not the most important settings in this AI bot. I'll explain you how it all works and how do I set it up personally. So basically, this means at what percentage in profit, how much of our position it will sell. So for example, if the project the bot invested makes 100% profit, it will sell 20% of our position. In my opinion, the default settings are a bit too optimistic, because you can see the full position will be only sold at 2000% profit. I think this is not really realistic, and I think the token will dump earlier than make us that much profit. So let's create our exit sell strategy. I would go for 25% at 50% profit. I think this is pretty fair. Next up, add one more setting. Let's go 25% at 80% profit. I really like to take as much profit early and then leave a moon bag, meaning leave some money for these 100x options. Let's add another option. Let's go again 25% at 150. And let's add the last one, 25% at 300%. I think this is pretty fair. Again, you can set it up a bit different, but I think this is going to be a safe option for now because I want to show you a profit, of course, and how it all works. Of course, you can put it in the higher risk with a higher percentage. You can go for smaller percentages right here if you're playing with a bigger amount. But right now I'm playing with a really small investments. I don't want to have that many buy and sell orders. So let's activate our bot right here. This will activate our bot. And once it's activated, you can see the trading history right here. Activation history, all the information will be right here on the platform. So now I will fast forward, I will work on some other videos, and I will come back to you with some of the results.
One eternity later.
I would say 20-30 minutes passed, and the bot started finally buying and selling the tokens. So let's check out some of the results. Also, I got a bit bored, so I created one more bot just quickly because I want to show more trades. So the first bot we set is right here. Right now, it's sitting at 34% profit, which is, I would say, pretty good. And the second bot, I just did the quick settings. I was so lazy, so I put really similar settings. It's sitting at 13% profit. And if you want to see what this bot is actually purchasing and selling, you can see right here in the trading history. So let's come back to the bot I created originally, the same you saw the settings, and let's check out what did he buy. So he bought Daddy AI token. If you click right here, this will open the chart, and you can see this bot actually did pretty good purchase. Right now we're only waiting to hit our targets, but if you're manually checking out these trades, you can actually sell and override the bot and sell these tokens yourself. So right here, you can select sell and sell these tokens. We can see we are having more and more pumps. And if you're running multiple trading bots, you can actually check out all of the holdings from all the bots right here in the button called holdings. So you can see all the different tokens right now my bots are holding. So for example, I hold Daddy AI, it's up 30%. I hold Tate Term, it's up 16%, and Rose AI, it's 5% up. If we jump in back to the AI Sniper, so our original bot is right now up 64%. I would say it's not bad for 30 minutes of doing nothing, and the setup took me like 5 minutes. You saw the full process, and I will see how it goes in the future, but I'm running these bots all the time, and so far they're producing really good results. And of course, with meme coins, there's no guaranteed profit, but so far you can see yourself, I'm having pretty good results by doing almost nothing, just letting the bot decide, except I put in my own strategy. Of course, you can have different risk tolerance, you can actually expect for more profit, or you can set it up with a lower risk and of course sell sooner. Let's go back to the holding, let's see what's happening. Again, it bought one more token, again 2% in profit, not bad, 7% in profit. So you can see live all our holdings. And by the way, I just launched my new meme coin program called Meme Money. Basically, it teaches you how to start trading and start earning $10,000 per month by trading meme coins. And a big bonus, right now we're doing 50% discount for the next 20 people who join our program. The link in description, and use code AI Sniper. See you there.